Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to securely set up a Trezor Model T full guide. Start by unboxing on a clean surface and confirm the tamper-evident seals are intact before powering the device. Connect only to the official Trezor suite and avoid browser extensions. When creating your recovery seed, write every word legibly on paper and never store it digitally. Set a strong PIN and enable passphrase protection for added security. Create your recovery seed directly on the Trezor Model T and never reveal it to anyone or store it online. Use a dedicated backup sheet and consider metal backup options for fire and water resistance. Verify the seed by following the device prompts to confirm each word. Store the backup in 2 separate secure locations if possible, and ensure trusted people know how to access it only under emergency instructions. After initializing, pick a PIN that you can remember but others cannot guess, and enable passphrase protection for an extra hidden wallet layer. Regularly check for official firmware updates and apply them using the Trezor suite over a secure connection. Avoid third-party integrations unless verified, and always confirm receiving addresses on the Trezor screen before sending funds. Treat the device like a safety deposit box and limit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.